what's the name of the company and what do you do?
The company is SLK Ventures, duly registered with the government. So what we do is we supply grains and animals to companies, exporters, and market women. Grains like rice, soya beans, sesame seeds, called riɗi in Hausa, hibiscus, flour, that is zobo. So we supply them to companies, exporters, marketers, market women, market men, whoever that needs them, we supply them. And the supply chain is across the country. It's not just maybe a particular section. Port Harcourt, Lagos, Ibadan, Osogbo, Ife, and the likes.
Okay. Okay. Where are you based?
We are based in Katsina.
Katsina
City.
So, what's the modus operandi? If someone needs grains now, let's say I need like maize, yeah, or probably yam. This is another thing that a lot of people are actually interested in, and I think the grains or all the millets, soya, this thing, are usually used up by industries, companies.
Yes.
But what about people who need it for probably they want to run it and sell in the south? You still do that as well?
Yes, we supply market men and women.
Okay.
Those that need maybe like 5-10 bags also, we supply them.
Like onions, things like
onions. If it is agri-produce that is obtainable in the north, we have a network of, it's not that maybe I'm the only one that does it. I own the company, I founded it, but we have a network of sub-agents that one have built trust with over the years. So whenever orders come in, if anybody needs anything, let's say 10 bags of beans, for instance. So there are 30 models that can be used. The first one is you send in your orders. I use this especially for exporters and companies. You send in your LPO, that is local purchasing order, stating whatever you needed. Okay, you need 1,000 tons of soya beans, for instance. So once the order comes in, once the LPO comes in, then you send in money also. Then I will now give time frame. That's okay for the supply. If it's a week or 2 weeks, whatever, then the order will now be carried out. The other option is you mentioned, okay, you needed maybe 1,000 tons of soya beans. I will look at my networks of people that tell me things they have in their warehouse. And I say, okay, there is a warehouse in Benue State or Taraba State or Niger or anywhere. And I say, okay, let us meet at this also place. You come for pickup, you inspect it. Okay, this is the goods, this is the stock that we talked about. You inspect it, you confirm it. Once you confirm everything, you're okay with it, you make your payment, you give me my permission, and then you load and go. If you don't have logistics, if you don't have logistics to your site, I have logistics companies. They will come, they have trucks. Some of them have 20 trucks, some of them have 30, some more than that. So they will come, you negotiate between yourselves, and then they will load it up and take it to you. To your destination, wherever you want to. Then the third option is you tell me, okay, I need so. Okay, there's no problem. Then I will now. There are some companies that are ready to finance such venture, but they will not give me the money. You will go to the market, buy everything, then we will now bring it.
Okay.
So those are the methods of operation in terms of payment.
Okay. And which one is? I think we were discussing
Okay.
that some.
Then yes, the list in terms of costs. The least expensive is for you to send your money and then you get your goods, because my people, they will go deep inside to the roots, to the local market, source them out, aggregate at different points, load them up and bring to you. Then the next one is the one that you send in, the pickup one. The pickup, okay, this is you come yourself for inspection. Once you're okay with it, you load up, you go. The most expensive is the one that will be financed by a third party. Definitely he wants to add his own markup, yes, to at least get something.
Do you have any social media handles?
Yes, Mesauki Ventures on Facebook, then Mesauki on Ireland.
What's the spelling?
Mesauki, that is M-A-I rather, S-A-U-K-I, then Ventures.
Okay. And your own personal name on Facebook?
My personal name on Facebook is ISMAIL Adetoyi.
That's fine, because mostly we are talking about foods. A lot of people want to go into food stock buying, and most time the challenge is finding someone who is secured, who can be trusted down there in the north. And you are also Yoruba.
Yes, I'm from Inisha.
Okay.
I was born at Jaleyemi Hospital, Oshogo. Yes.
So I think someone from the west will be able to relate with you and understand Hausa.
Yes.
And they don't understand Hausa. Yeah, that's the language barrier can be helpful. Yeah. And if there's anyone that wants to come down to your base,
They always come.
okay.
They come, I take them to markets, we buy anything they want me to assist them to buy. They load up, they give me my own commission.
That's fine. What's your number, sir?
My phone numbers are 08030744985. That's MTN. The second line is 0907700-172.
Sorry. They also mention of livestock.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. We are merry people. We marry every now and then. People need livestock, maybe for during festival like Christmas, New Year, Ileya, stuff like that. So anybody that needs ram, goats,